This little device will change how you cinch everything to your bags. All right, for this to work, you're gonna need about 3 foot of paracord, a toggle about 1.5 inches, 2 inches long, your multi-tool, and you're gonna need your trusty but not rusty knife. You wanna take your awl and drill a hole in the middle of this toggle. Now that you got your hole drilled through there, you're gonna clean it up with your knife, just like that. One end of your paracord, you wanna make an overhand loop. Now feed the other end through your toggle. Now make a knot. You've made a tensioner. Let me show you how it works. Place your tensioners down, and then let's say we're gonna use a bed roll. Got my wool blankets in here. Pull these dudes over like this, insert your toggle. You just pull it and it tensions down. Find where you're gonna attach it to your bag, feed your loop ends up through it. Now put whatever you want there. In this case, we're doing the bedding again. Attach your tensioner through here and then tension it down. That was just a couple of things that you could do with this rope tensioner. The applications are endless. Hey, if you like this video, give me a like, follow, and share. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I'll see you next time. God bless you.